Mutton is in great demand. Well grown up rams get best prices, especially during Islamic festivals. Live sheep fetches half the price that of mutton. That means if the mutton price is rupees 250 per kilogram, live sheep gets rupees 125 per kilogram. Stall-fed Rambule sheep gains 40 to 50 kilogram body weight by 10 to 12 months. It sells at least for 6 to 7,000 rupees. Cost of production of 1 kilogram of silage is 1 rupee. Each sheep needs 2 kilograms of silage per day. Hence the fodder cost is rupees 2 per day. If 50 grams of concentrate is fed, it costs 50 paisa per day. Wages, electricity, medicine, feed additives, etc. together will cost 1.5 rupee per day per sheep. In total, the cost of rearing of stall-fed sheep is rupees 4 per day per sheep. That is, rupees 1,500 per sheep per year. Stall-fed sheep of 1 year fetches at least 5 to 6,000 rupees. Thus, the systematic stall feeding of sheep generates an attractive income. 8 to 10 people can handle 1,000 sheep under stall-fed system with silage. Labor requirement is less compared to dairy farm.